This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 261BH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Texarkana, Texas, 75503 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Highland Ridge is 30 feet 10 inches in length and features one Slideout, a Cascade Ivory interior, sleeps 8, water heater, LP detector, spare tire kit, air conditioning, self-contained, skylight, auxiliary battery, smoke detector, external shower, microwave, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 261BH is 6,067 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 261BH. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.